Here's how to factory reset your iPhone before selling. Now, if you wanted to sell your iPhone, or maybe you're trading it in, you need to follow these exact steps first. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. After you've done that, tap on your name at the top here, and then just scroll down until you find iCloud and tap on that. Now we need to make sure your iPhone is fully backed up before we delete it. So tap on iCloud Backup towards the bottom, and then just tap on Backup Now. You can see when it was last backed up. You can see data from other apps might not be included, which you can always just go in and change or just hit continue. Now, after you've gone through the process of fully backing it up, if you have an Apple Watch, you need to unpair that before you delete your iPhone. So hop out of here and swipe down, and then just type in watch on your iPhone. If you don't have an Apple Watch, of course, you don't need to follow these steps. You can skip this step, but don't skip the other steps. Tap on all watches at the top left, and then tap on the eye next to your Apple Watch, and then scroll down and tap on Unpair Apple Watch. Essentially, your Apple Watch can only be paired to one iPhone, so we want to unpair it from this iPhone because we're going to get ready to sell it, and then we'll pair it to a new iPhone if you get a new one. After you've done that, let's tap back into the Settings app, and it should be done backing up. Let's tap the back arrow here, and tap the back arrow again. Still within the Apple account section, scroll to the bottom and tap on where it says Trevor This iPhone, or whatever the name is of your iPhone. After you've opened it up, scroll down, and if you see any credit cards or debit cards under your Apple Wallet and Pay, just tap on Remove Items and remove that from your wallet. You don't want a credit card associated with your phone anymore, especially after wiping it. Now, after we've done that, basically we can go through the process of factory resetting it by going to the beginning of your settings and then tapping on General. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then from here, just choose Erase All Content and Settings. And you can see essentially it'll erase everything and sign you out. It'll also turn off the Find My activation. So let's hit continue. If you don't need your eSIM anymore, your phone number associated with this phone, hit delete eSIM and erase data. Enter in the passcode for your phone, and you might need to enter in the Apple ID as well, and it will factory reset that iPhone. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, take a second and leave your feedback down below. Let me know if this was helpful for you, or maybe if I missed the mark and I didn't include something that you have issues with on your phone. Thanks, guys.